Good morning. So my name is Jeff, and I'm a Long Island admissions rep for Universal Technical Institute, UTI. Hope you're well. Thank you for having me today at the career fair. And let me tell you a little bit about what we do. I work for a school called Universal Technical Institute, UTI. You might know us, again, as UTI. We are the largest school for technician training in the country. In addition to UTI, we also own MMI. MMI stands for both Motorcycle and Marine Mechanics Institute. And lastly, we are the only authorized training facility for NASCAR outside of NASCAR as part of our NASCAR Tech program. We train students in a variety of different disciplines, including automotive, NASCAR, diesel, collision repair, welding, CNC machining, motorcycle and power sports and marine, all in high demand, all in about a year or less, and you're ready to start work. So there are other schools that do what we do, what we love.
We're for success of the hands-on heroes, the mechanical geniuses, the fixers of broken things, the ones who make what goes wrong right. Because without them, the world literally stops moving. Yes, we're for their success, which is why we've partnered with leading automotive, diesel, motorcycle, collision repair, marine, CNC, and welding companies to create state-of-the-industry facilities throughout the nation, and to ensure our students learn the technical and professional skills they need in the way they learn best, hands-on. Are you one of these hands-on heroes? We have a variety of programs to choose from. In Universal Technical Institute's Automotive Technology program, you can learn how to diagnose, maintain, and repair domestic and foreign automobiles. You'll find out how to troubleshoot problems of all kinds using engine analyzers, handheld scanners, and other computerized diagnostic equipment. After completing UTI's Diesel Technology program, you'll be prepared to work on everything from big trucks and corporate fleets to farm equipment and more. You'll start with basic diesel engines and work hands-on through all major areas like transmissions, fuel systems, air brakes, chassis, climate control, and preventive maintenance. In the collision repair program, you can learn about welding, frame alignment, mechanical and electrical repair, custom paint and body applications, and factory painting. In the new welding program, you can prepare for a career making sparks fly, cutting, shaping, fusing, and repairing everything from buildings and bridges to pipelines, power plants, vehicles, and even aircraft. You can even choose the NASCAR Technology program in Mooresville, North Carolina, where you can learn things like engines, fabrication, welding, aerodynamics, and pit crew. In the new CNC machining program, you'll get the skills you need to drill, mill, grind, route, and cut parts with laser precision for everything from high-performance engines and medical equipment to aircraft components and industrial applications. At Motorcycle Mechanics Institute, you can learn how to work on everything from street bikes and dirt bikes to racing bikes to the hottest Harleys on the road. At Marine Mechanics Institute, you can work on everything from stern drive, inboard gas and diesel engines to outboard two-stroke and four-stroke motors to prepare for a career on the water. The choice is yours. There will be 1.2 million auto and diesel technician job openings by 2026. Get there. Faster, smarter. Universal Technical Institute. We're for success. Your success.
So that's a little bit of what we do. I'm going to show one more video. Not only should we find a career that we love and that we're passionate about, we also want to make sure that it supports the lifestyle that we want, make the type of money that we need. So let's take a look at that.
The manufacturers would consider this a crisis right now as far as the shortage of technician goes. It's a demand for people who have the skills and ability to be able to diagnose these highly complex vehicles.
The amount of service business we're expecting to see in the next 3 years, we don't have the manpower to get it done.
Every day we're looking to bring on more technicians that are qualified.
One of the biggest reasons we go to UTI is because of the quality of students we get from there.
These students are ready to work. When they come out of here, they're trained in the same work environment that our shops are.
We hire a lot of UTI students. We've hired close to 40 guys out of the GM program in the last 3 years.
We're currently about 50% UTI grads in all of Northwest Handling. I've hired over 260 UTI graduates. I find them to be a lot more prepared for the industry, and especially if they take a manufacturer's course before they leave.
We especially love the manufacturer programs.
If they have a desire for racing and engines, coupled with their education at UTI, we know that we've got a winner.
That's the individual that we want to put in our company and help them grow and thrive and develop a career.
UTI is a good option. Not everybody wants an office job.
I always had an interest for cars, and I just wanted to take it to the next level.
You're always learning something new, and that's what I love about it.
Definitely the schooling was worth it. I would do it again.
UTI gives you a lot of resources to get a job.
I feel pretty comfortable when you leave MMI and you go to a dealership. It feels like you just walked out of school's dealership into an actual real-life dealership.
When you need job placement and you need help with that stuff, they're there to support it.
I think if they were to look at the income potential right out of school, I think they would feel that it was a wise investment.
You can definitely make money here.
Technicians start around $15 an hour and go up from there. You get into my main service shop, you're in the $30 range.
Our average master level technician makes about $110,000 a year.
When you can make six figures as a mechanic, we all benefit from that.
We have a lot of benefits.
We offer up to $22,000 of tuition reimbursement, as well as $2,000 in tool allowance.
If we find somebody we like and they need a few $1,000s to help move and relocate, we're more than happy to do that. When we find the guy we like, we're not going to let a little bit of money get in the way of hiring him.
That's a little bit about the income potential. Those are national numbers. It's a little higher here, but the cost of living is a little higher here. So the bottom line, I hope we gave you a little background or insight as to the demand in the industry. What we do is very career specific, very hands-on. You're done in about a year and a half if you take our auto diesel program or some advanced training. But our school's a little different. You want to apply to Farmingdale or Stony Brook, you hit click and they let you know if you're in. You'll need to let me know if this is something that you have interest in. I'll reach out to you and get you information. If it's something that sounds like something you might want to pursue, we'll make sure that your parents are involved and we'll meet with them, give you all the information. We'll ask some questions as well to make sure you're fit for the school and that the school's a fit for you. By doing that, we find that our graduation rate and our placement rates are top in the industry. So it is a little different. We're going to ask everyone, if you have interest, I'm going to put my QR code, normally give you a card, and you need to let me know what year you're in, some way that I could contact you, excuse me, by scanning this, and let me know if you have strong interest or not strong interest. I speak to those people that put a 5 is the strongest interest, 1 being the least. And I also need to know your graduation year. So if you're a senior, I speak to you guys now. Make sure that you have the information so you can make a decision if our school might be a fit. If you're a junior and have strong interest, at the end of your junior year, we will invite you to an event at one of our campuses, but not till then. If you're 10th grade, we'll keep you in our system, but we're not communicating with you. So we could either scan this. If that doesn't work, you could text 323232, and on the subject line, put UTI, you'll get the same code. You could also just text me directly or go to jpress.utirep.com. So I wish everyone great success, whatever you look at. Please visit as many different companies or institutions that are trying to help you get set for a career. It's a great time to explore. There's so many new options. We're going through changes as well, but that's one reason why you're going to be in so high demand. So let me know if I can help you. All the best, and hope to speak to you soon. Bye-bye.